Derek man, kompon-kompon tak ada bintang lagi man.
Team is banning.
Ban lah.
Please pick a hero.
Macam biasa kayu.
Tidak nak bintang.
Hilda sakit tu.
Mighty oaks from little acorns grow.
Hanabi, Sanjo.
Yuzoong.
Onimusha has no equal.
Your team is picking.
You are safe now, Aili-sama.
Main LMM. Woi, dia punya ni.
Our song carries the threads of
Kau
fate
main
that bind
berkilat-kilat
us.
lagi.
Aduh.
See value in me?
Oi, yang kata Angela woi.
Should.
Man, patut kau kena pakai alpha man.
Alpha sebelah dah ambil.
My tail's been itching for a
Oh.
real
Pick a
fight.
hero.
It's my way or the highway. Crowned by heaven's mandate,
The
my
enemy is
legacy
picking.
shall endure.
Uyo. Alah, pilih je lah. Mestilah kau pakai ada skin tu lah.
Hope
Gila
will
orang
find a
kayu.
way, even when all is forlorn.
Takkan nak pakai yang biasa-biasa tu.
Oh, dahsyat orang sebelah skin bau-bau semua kan.
Tu lah. Oh, bergerak skin di sana dia lain macam. Johit lagi mantap.
Trial je tu.
Mobile legend. Backup. Okay, 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed. My strat. This world alone befits my ambition. The throne is but a symbol. My right to rule transcends petty court squabbles.
Anjay
My
kacau.
crown gleams not with heavenly light, but with the faith of my people. Imperial
Dia ambil weh, dia ambil.
divine will.
Bagi triple. Wish. Tak kosong sekejap je. Apa yang jadi?
Semua main curi ke ni?
At times I lay awake at night, flooded with memories of yesteryear.
Akibat merusuh.
Rule with strength and conviction. Blossom with grace and compassion.
Aku hampir nak tekan lah tu, Bat.
With each step, I pave a path untrodden, forging a legacy that shall echo through the ages.
Makan.
My legacy, be it glory or infamy, is for history to decide.
Edin tu bawah.
Itu dia makan dia.
Allahu Akbar kabira.
Ya.
Makan dia.
Oh, gegak.
No rescue from my wrath!
Weh, tak mati lah Firin.
My crown gleams not with
Tak
heavenly
dapat.
light,
Kill
but
dapat.
with the faith of my people.
Dia kan mati pada dia.
The throne beckons its rightful master.
An ally has slain the turtle.
Mantap.
Divine will! Rule with strength and conviction. Blossom with grace and compassion.
Oh, atas Sian Mak Semen tu.
The throne is but a symbol. My right to rule transcends petty court squabbles. Divine will! Imperial Phoenix!
Mak dia ada tu pula. Cik kala. Si cik gini nyawa dia.
The Phoenix Ray!
Mampu.
I grant you a noble burial.
Late game, cik. Tak payah terus jalan je. Jangan.
Kneel before your empress. That is the price of truth.
Free.
Divine will!
Nice. Aduh, tak sempat pula tolong.
Divine will! At times I lay awake at night, flooded with memories of yesteryear, of old friends.
Dah, sekali tu dah lah.
With each
Late
step,
game.
I pave a path untrodden, forging a legacy that shall echo through the ages. Insolence! My will shall not be challenged. My strategy spans centuries. Silently guard. My legacy, be it glory or infamy, is for history to decide.
Our turret has been destroyed. Has been slain.
My strategy spans centuries. For those I silently guard.
Weh, apa yang tak ada gerak ni? Gampang.
No rescue from my wrath! The heaven has decreed my fall.
Salah congkir.
Nak kena ni.
Like the burnt peony, I emerge from the ashes.
Sekejap.
Rule with strength and conviction.
Aduh.
With grace and compassion.
Aduh, nanti.
Oh.
The Phoenix Ray!
Our turret is under attack.
Enemy battle spell on CD.
Aku tidak boleh clear ni ah. Tower ni. Tak.
Imperial Phoenix! Answer for your transgression.
Oh. Oh. Sial, apa dia? Nice.
Pang.
Great play.
Sial, apa dia? Nice.
From ashes to empress, my
Alpha dia dah
rebirth
cukup koyak
is
tu.
eternal.
Dia tak tahu barang aku dah siap.
Divine will! Imperial Phoenix! No refuge from my wrath! A most auspicious gift.
That was amazing.
Belakang mat, belakang mat.
Been slain.
Ramai 4 kali.
Belakang mat.
Monster kill.
Curve AoE.
Ui, tak kena dia
Imperial
Sorry Aman, terbunuh ah. Tak apa. Boleh ni. Tu seorang. Mampus.
kneel for this merciful end.
Kali lah, report Alpha.
Alpha pula.
With each step,
Lah.
I pave the path untrodden, forging a legacy that shall echo through the ages.
Padahal Rebel tu mati paling sikit tu.
Itu paling lawak.
Report sendiri tak faham.
Destroyed a turret.
The Phoenix Ray! Mantap!
Memang top bat lagi lah MVP ni. Nampak gaya dah.
Sakit.
Pam. Salah masuk. Koyok pula. Aduh. Tapi nyawa dia
Lot.
Destroyed a turret. Your team destroyed a turret.
Lawak bahaya ni.
Oh, dia di atas.
Initiate replay.
Ayo.
Nak ke lah. Gerak nak tak. Alpha Okay, baik.
Rule with strength and conviction.
Dia lari je.
Blossom with grace
Mak ni.
and
Mau
compassion.
dekat atas. Aku nampak Nabi dekat atas ni.
Imperial Phoenix! Divine will! Your sentence is death.
Nak buka map ke?
No
Nah.
refuge from my wrath! Mantap!
Kan dah nampak kat mana. Oh, lari.
Plucked from the finest palace blooms.
Lari bos.
Minion bawah. Alpha buat kerja oi. Dia cuba buktikan yang dia tu
My
berguna.
legacy, be it glory or infamy, is for history to
Kena
decide.
kejar.
Divine will.
Answer for your transgressions. The phoenix.
Nah.
MM tak pandai main. Aku juga yang kena.
Mantap.
Main gila.
Nafsu.
At times I lay awake at night, filled with memories of yesteryear.
Tim saya hebat.
No justice.
Mati.
Balik. Alamak, salah masuk. Menang.
A most auspicious gift.
Tenang tu. Sedihnya lah orang.
Baru nak buat rekod tapi mati tau.
Dia lagi.
Sorry Aman, terambil Aman.
Dah cari banyak pun tak dapat ni. Tak jadi.
Aduh. Oi, nama Panglima 3 Root. Oh, dahsyat. Alpha dia.
Apalah, aku bagi like kat Afar dia.
Tok Gili Perak dia punya base sana.
Tok Ili Perak pakai kat lambang Australia. Tak sedar diri Melayu. Nak terus lagi?
Boleh.
Ya, MM kita tu kenapa tu?
Dah keluar game kan?
Tak boleh jadi. Sikit hari lagi top bar dapat ni. Dapat top. Top apa? Top Melaka lah. Habis pelirik aku.
Kau panggil lah Awan. Nasib tadi air rumput.
Your team is
Pakai awan tu laju sikit.
Aku